back to another video, guys, and thank you guys for joining me, your boy Tony, for another banger. I'm already in the Zeta. I know it's daylight right now, but I really did want to address an issue that I've been having for the longest in this car since I got it. And being that we kind of have to speed this up, and I'll explain later why, let's get into it. Now that has to do with the little flicky, you feel me? So now, when my headlights are on, only one of them works. Now I know normally you'd be thinking like, Tony, just replace the bulb, but I'm gonna explain to you once we take them off why I cannot do so. So with that being said, let me show you guys proof that it doesn't work right now, and then after that we'll go start and taking them off, because it should be pretty easy, straightforward. You guys can see, not on. That one, clearly on. This one, not on. What's up with you, dog? Side, take your blinkies off. Now, for me, it's gonna be a lot easier if I just turn the car on. That way I can take the bumper off with ease. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Let's get it. Pop back outside. And this is why, ladies and gentlemen, so I can get to this bolt. Now, I don't know how you guys have your bumpers on, so I just have a couple zip ties and some 10mm. Set everything off. That's pretty much it, man. Let's take this thing out. Oh yeah. Now, I'm not trying to draw too much attention to ourselves, so let's go ahead and put this somewhere more discreet. I don't think anybody will say anything. Out of sight, out of mind. Now we can come back inside, straighten it out, and then shut it off. Now we're good for a bit. But anyways, look, 1, 2, 3, and then the top one up here, and we're good to go, man. Let's get it. What I gotta do is unclip this harness on the back right there. Once you do that, you should be able to just take these off. Just put them out. There we go. Se la quedó. There we go. Ta-da. Now she's naked. Now, ahora sí acá adentro con más calma. I can explain to you guys why these are trash. Now, they still function. They're still cool. Tabs are decent. Tabs, you can tell that one's still intact. Not really big issue with that one. This one's pretty good condition. Now, when you get to the back, this is kind of the big issue. Now, you see that there's nothing in here. Now, you see some wiring being ran and some wires that are cut. And just a whole lot of junk in here, man. Now, this one does come with the back cover, but as you can see, this one has a newer back cover, because this one didn't even have a back cover at all. I had to buy this. So that's why this one is trash. It doesn't work. The bulb's probably fried out. Now, these pretty clapped out. So this one's pretty decent. So I'm gonna leave this one like this for the next owner, because someone's gonna come buy these today. And these are the ones I got for myself. If you guys know Z's, you guys know this box. And I got some LEDs. These are the all LEDs off my old Z. You guys remember that one? I don't know how, but they didn't get messed up in the crash, so I'm going to slap them on these DEPOs. If you guys don't know DEPOs, sexiest headlight for the Z in the market, bro. Let me see. It's just nice, clean OEM. None of that, if you guys compare them, there's no chrome in the new one. There's still that silver on the inside, which I like. These are LEDs now. And then that's about it, man. That one's clear right there instead of yellow, so it's clear now. You're still gonna see the yellow button until I get different bulbs for that top one. And yeah, look beautiful, brand new. Come with the wiring harness and the back covers. Just have to swap over your headlights and your bulbs. But I'm super excited to throw these on the actual Z. I'm never buying these again. If you guys remember, I bought this for my black car, and I bought them and I traded it for some retrofitted ones. I mean, some ejectors. But if we're being honest, shitty deal, man. These are like $600. So don't mess around with these, man. I'm gonna take care of these, make them look pristine, make them look gorgeous, and then get these to the new and happy owner. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this cracking, man. Now the only thing we need from this one is one of the housing from the LED bulbs. So we turn this one over, take off my brand new cover. Now if you look at this, these are kind of the same style, but I need this housing from this one. Because if you look at mine, in the crash, I did lose the back housing for this one. So we're gonna go ahead and swap that one over, so it looks more like this, yeah? And as you can tell, these things were all sorts of messed up, man. Everything was not gonna work, so gonna save ourselves some of that effort and not put those on. So we're gonna go ahead and take these off, put 2 clips together. Junk LEDs, man. I would not recommend these, but whatever, you know. Just gonna take the housing from them and what I need. This is the box, man. They come beautifully packaged, well packaged, well spaced off. Check this out. And there you have it. It even come with new O-rings for you guys. for the bottom. These would be for right here. And that hole. I'm gonna take out the driver's side one. Beautiful, look at that. Gorgeous. Pretty obvious, man. Look at it. Open to spin. Counterclockwise to open. Clockwise to lock. So just open it up. You really do be needing both hands with this, man. It's like a two-man job. Gotta source together some bolts from the graveyard. Shot at the graveyard. Right now we're gonna go get this in. So they do provide new washers because these are pretty flared out. These are a lot tighter. So we're gonna go ahead and use these, slap this one on, see what happens, man. Shout out Last Fit. Not sponsored, but please sponsor me. Best LEDs in the game. We ran this wiring up through here. You guys can see it's sticking out. So right now we're gonna attach our actual bulb to that. And it's pretty cool because onto this, it just kind of screws on there, this one. And then it goes on there with the clamp, and then it kind of screws on there. Makes it a tight fitting. You got this thing that screws on there. That way the bulb never unplugs. It's tight on there. Next thing we're gonna do is allocate our bulb. Toss that thing in there. Kind of have to throw these on after it because it's kind of too fat to fit. So after you do that, should be good to clamp down right about there. See, now it's nice and sturdy in there. Nothing's gonna move it, and I am happy with that. Now we can go ahead and seal this back up. Take the cover, throw it back on, and whatnot. And then right here on the back, we're gonna tape these up because I don't know why they don't come with tape, but they should. We're gonna tape this up later, but these two connectors just go together like so. And there you go. You have LEDs now. And then this one goes to the car, and and the zip tie is probably like around here. That way it doesn't interfere with the wheel because it is a little lowered. Keep it out the way as much as we can. Once we zip tie that up, that'll be nice and tight, and it'll be cables out the way. Put some tape on there. That way they're nice and snug. Going to swap out this amber bolt as well. Once you got that on, now you can just go ahead and plop it in there. There you go, nice and secure. This headlight is ready to go, and it's gonna look sexy on the car, man. Well, we're just gonna repeat the same process, man. Take off the cover, do all that jazz, and just skip through this one. So I took the casing off this one. It's kind of gross and gunky and everything, This one's a lot cleaner, so we're gonna go ahead and protect this one and hopefully get it on there and sort it and good. I'm also gonna take this plastic because mine doesn't have it, so if we can take that out, that's even better. Nice. Second one's locked in, ready to go. I got it all situated. Couldn't put the fan on. This one's actually a little bit smaller, so therefore I can't put it on. So we got it on there though. Nonetheless, gonna move all this out the way so that way we don't have any issues and we should be good to go. Alright, man, they're ready to go. Time to go slap them on the car. This is what I meant, that they have that little shade of yellow. Not a big deal to me. Later on we could just get them in a different color, but now they're ready to get slapped on. There we go. They're ready to go back on. Now just to put the bumper back on, and we're good to go. Alright, so we're back at it. Give you guys the most satisfying part, man. This is what you guys really clicked on the video for. Look at that. All that fresh DEPO goodness. Glad we didn't get on any of that dirt on there because this is brown, man. Jeez. Look how beautiful that looks. Oh, dear Lord. Sex. Man, I kind of just wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the headlights on now that we got some more space. There's a new space for the Z that we'll break into a little bit more later. I'm a little bit into some work right now, but we'll get into that more later, guys. Now, I do love these because these are DEPO headlights, man. Now, they look kind of like factory, but they got black housing, and they got LEDs right here on the side markers. That's the big deal. They're not chrome anymore. They're not, you know what I mean? They're not ugly. They're not sun damaged. These look amazing, man. And this is one of the biggest upgrades you guys can do to your Zs, is make sure those headlights are looking pristine, man. Now, they are a little bit pricey, though, because you guys got to wait till they have them on eBay. At least that's where I got them from, and they were the cheapest. They were like $550, maybe shipped out the door. But you can get them anywhere for like $800, $1,000, you know. But I wait till, you know, they drop on eBay, and that's usually when I cop them. That's where I got my last set, too. I got them for like less. I got them for like $450 last time. But 350Z headlights are crazy expensive, man. I know the G35s are like $300. The same thing, DEPO headlights, and they got like that cool LED strip, man. But that's next level, man. I don't want to necessarily tear these open just because I've always had bad luck with them getting water into them, so I don't want to necessarily do that. I just want to leave them alone, have them be leak free, and then just have them just enjoy it, man. Just make them look good, enjoy them, let them run them on the car. These look so good, man. I got a little bit of something there, man, but these are beautiful, man. I love these. Super dope. I don't want to show too much of the car because then you're gonna see too much of what's coming up next, but best believe that we got some work coming in, but we had to make sure that we were looking proper right there, man. I did end up getting those bulbs that are like translucent, not translucent, but they're like that neon chrome finish, so they look kind of glassy, but they're still an amber bulb. It's a regular bulb, but it just has that feature, so you can't really see it, so it looks like there's nothing in there instead of having the yellow one. And I did get an LED for the side marker right here from Last Fit Pros. Love their headlights. Love their LED bulbs. The same thing I'm running for my headlights is the LED bulbs from Last Fit, so those are amazing. Can't say enough things good about those. And then obviously these are already LED amber. So I did try a lot of different options for this LED bulb up top to get a different one because of this housing, the clear housing on top. They can't clear a lot of the bulbs that are on the market, and I couldn't find a shallow enough one that would not hit right there. You see how there's a big gap? That's all gets taken away once you have LEDs, but I couldn't find one that was translucent, or at least like that color, that like neochrome color, so I can have them be hitting and be LED. So I had to sacrifice that. It's the only bulb on the car that is currently still a regular halogen bulb, I believe. And then it is still amber. These are amber LEDs, and like I said, Last Fit in there. You guys can't really see it. Last Fit amber. Those are super bright. I wish I could have ran those on there, but to each their own, whatever, you know. It just doesn't clear, man. If I opened it up, I could take away this housing, have the translucent bulb, you wouldn't even see it, but then we'd have to open it up, and I don't want to risk any of that, you know what I mean? So there it is. There you have it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. You guys rocking these on the Z, or you guys getting the chrome ones? And I better not hear any of you guys say you guys gonna get those spider headlights off eBay, man. Those are like $300, man, but they look terrible on the Z, man. Look terrible. Don't run those. Those are the chafa ones, man. So you don't want no chafa on your car, man. You want something good to look good on your car, man. So like, get your car some proper stuff, man. Welcome back to the crib, guys. We'll be at every single video, man. I'm glad you guys were able to stick around to the end of the video, man. I kept it nice and short. I know we had a bit of a long one from the previous video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like the mod, man. I hope you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, man. What do you I know there's two sides to this coin, man. Those of you that like the nice blacked out housing, and those of you that like the stock OEM chrome finish, man. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. If you have any questions, comments, and concerns, I answer every single one of them, so make sure to let me know down below. Hit us up through DMs on IG if you guys have any questions, man. Also, if you guys are excited for more content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, that bell right next to it, because I know you guys are going to be upset next time I drop a banger, you guys miss it, man. So make sure to hit that bell right next to it as well. Make sure to hit that like, man. If you guys enjoyed the headlights, if you guys liked them, man, let me know what you guys' thoughts are, what you guys want to see for the build, man. Anything you guys have to say, man, I'm here. I'm always grateful you guys are sticking around to the end of the video, man. I hope you guys enjoyed them, man. I do make these for you guys, just entertainment, for you guys to learn, for you guys to, you know, pass some good vibes, man. If you guys had a bad day, come kick it 10-15 minutes, bro. We'll laugh it up, have a laugh or two, drive some fast cars, or cruise it too. I'm down to cruise too, you know. I'm that guy you want to cruise or you want to race with, bro. I'm there. I'm there. You name it, baby. I'm there, man. I appreciate y'all for being here, man. I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for supporting, man. It means a lot to me. I hope I am bringing you guys good content that you guys are enjoying, man. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Have an amazing, blessed day, and I'll see y'all next video.